Today I am going to show you how to make cheap at home microwave popcorn. You'll need old-fashioned popcorn. This is Walmart's generic brand, and a plain old lunch bag. You can even add a little bit of salt to it if you want. Take your tablespoon and put 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of your popcorn into the bag. You want a little bit of salt? Go ahead and shed that salt, shake the salt into the bag. And just do your bag. I'll do this nice, if you will, roll right there. Get to your microwave and put it on for about 2 minutes. And when it stops popping, every microwave is different. Mine, it only takes 2 minutes. Sounds like our popcorn is done. The best thing about this is there's no oil and no extra ingredients, just popcorn and salt. Of course, you could always melt some butter, put on top, or whatever way you want to suit it up. Sprinkle some sweet and sour cream and chives on it. I'm enjoying it, just a plain old popcorn. Very filling. Okay guys, try that one out and come back and see my next video.